Annotate or markup documents and whiteboards using Adobe Connect Meeting's Draw feature. Draw tools or markup tools are accessible with the whiteboard as well as with shared items that have a draw option at the top of their share pod. These items include presentations, PDF documents, and images. And using the Pause and Annotate feature, you can even add markups while sharing your screen. Hosts and presenters can click Draw to open the toolbar. It will appear at the left side of the pod. To expand options for specific tools, click on the lower right corner of its icon. Use the Writing tool to add freehand markups using the marker, highlighter, pen, or pencil tool. Similarly, select a shape, arrow, line, or symbol. Use the Text tool to use your keyboard to annotate with text. Each time you select one of these tools, additional options will appear in the toolbar. You can select the color and thickness of the writing tools. For text elements, select the color, size, and font. And for shapes, choose the border color, the border thickness, the color of the fill, and the transparency. The Select tool is used to edit, delete, or move annotations. Click the tool and then click on the item you wish to modify. You can drag it to another location, edit its attributes by double-clicking, or use the Delete tool to remove it altogether. Then use the Undo and the Redo tools if you change your mind. If you have overlapping items, use the Arrange menu to bring items forward or send them backward to reveal those underneath. Finally, you can hide the toolbar without closing it by clicking on the left arrow. Click on the pull-out icon to reveal it again. Hosts and presenters can share individual whiteboard pages by printing them or by exporting a snapshot file in PNG format. If you want participants to be able to export a snapshot of content with annotations, use the Meeting Preferences to grant this capability. Give individual participants the right to draw by hovering over their name in the attendee pod. Use the Share Pod Options drop-down to enable all participants to draw for a specific document or whiteboard. Attendees on tablets access their drawing tools by tapping the bullseye icon on the left side of their screen. The tablet draw tools display on the right side. Note that participants on smartphones don't have drawing rights. For more information about Adobe Connect Meeting and to see additional resources, please visit the resource page at eclassesconnect.contactnorth.ca/help. For technical assistance, call the Contact North Help Desk Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. at 1-888-850-4628.